Hi everyone! In this video, let's discover technical indicators that are being used by CryptoHero traders. CryptoHero allows you to set entry and exit conditions for your trades. These include technical indicators as well as others like take profit and stop loss. Some of these indicators include Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands were created in the 1980s by financial analyst and trader John Bollinger. Bollinger Bands is a momentum indicator that helps you check price strength and volatility. This indicator helps you uncover both oversold and overbought indicators. With CryptoHero Bollinger Band, a buy signal is generated when the candlestick data reaches oversold and a sell signal is generated when it reaches overbought. Exponential Moving Average, EMA. This indicator helps you view both long-term and short-term trends. Using a longer time period for moving averages helps you see the long-term trends, while using a shorter time period shows you the short-term trends. With CryptoHero EMA, the buy signal is generated when the short-term EMA crosses above the long-term EMA, while a sell signal is generated when the short-term EMA crosses below the long-term EMA. Relative Strength Indicators, RSI. This is my favorite indicator. RSI is a momentum oscillator that detects the magnitude of the price movements as well as the speed or velocity where the price changes. So check the RSI if you want to find out how frequently and by how much the price changes. RSI values closer to 0 in purple indicates an oversold market condition, while values closer to 100 indicates overbought. With CryptoHero RSI, a buy signal is generated when the RSI is oversold and a sell signal is generated when the RSI is overbought. The future version of CryptoHero allow you to change the trigger values of the RSI, so keep a lookout for it. Stochastic RSI or Stoch RSI is a derivative of Relative Strength Index or RSI, and it is a momentum oscillator type of technical indicator, and it oscillates between 0 to 100. RSI values closer to 0 indicates an oversold market condition, while values closer to 100 indicates an overbought condition. Stochastic RSI focuses on the value of the asset itself rather than the raw price. With CryptoHero Stochastic RSI, a buy signal is triggered when the Stoch RSI is oversold and a sell signal is triggered when the Stochastic RSI is overbought. CryptoHero users may enter a trade with one indicator and exit with another, all without writing a line of code. And if you want to make the most out of all these technical indicators with your bots, it is prudent to learn about them and understand how they work. Learning about popular indicators is not as difficult as many people think. It is very important to dedicate time to understand the mechanisms and the benefits of each indicator and bots. After getting a grip of these crypto trading indicators with bots, you can apply this knowledge and make profits more easily. So what is your favorite technical indicator? Leave it down in the comments below. See you in the next video and happy trading everyone! Bye!